Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your phone already knows what you need before you even touch it. It writes your emails, edits your videos, builds your business, even talks like a human, better than most humans. Now here's the scary part. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. And if you're not paying attention, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming irrelevant. Today I'm going to show you what AI can really do. Things most people still don't believe are possible. For years, we thought AI was just a calculator, something that follows instructions. But now, AI can create. It writes full books, it generates viral YouTube scripts, it creates music, art, thumbnails, everything. Think about this. A person with zero design skills can now create professional thumbnails in seconds. A beginner can launch a YouTube channel and compete with experts. AI has removed the biggest barrier in the world, skill. Now the only thing that matters is ideas. Let's talk about something real. YouTube. Before AI, you needed editing skills, scripting, voice recording. Now, AI can write your script, generate your voice, edit your video, create subtitles, design your thumbnail, all in minutes. That means one person can now do the work of 10 people. This is why new creators are growing faster than ever. But here's the twist. If everyone has AI, then what makes you different, people say? AI will replace humans. That's not completely true. AI will replace lazy humans. It will expose lack of creativity, lack of discipline, lack of originality. Because now, excuses are gone. You don't need money, team, expensive tools. All you need is consistency plus strategy. Right now, people are using AI to start faceless YouTube channels, write ebooks and sell them, create online businesses, do freelancing work faster. Some are making money while they sleep. Not because they're smarter, but because they're using tools others are ignoring. AI is like a multiplier. If you do nothing, you get nothing. If you take action, you grow 10x faster. Let me shock you a little. AI can now clone voices, talk like real humans, generate realistic videos, answer complex questions instantly, act like a personal assistant. There are AI tools that can build websites, write code, analyze business ideas, predict trends. This is not science fiction anymore. This is reality. Now, let's be honest. AI is powerful, but also dangerous. Because fake videos can be created, misinformation can spread faster, people can be manipulated. This is why awareness is important. You must learn AI before it's used against you. Every generation gets one big opportunity. This is yours. AI is like the internet in its early days. Those who learn it early win big. Those who ignore it regret later. So ask yourself, are you just watching, or are you building something? Start simple. Learn one AI tool. Use it daily. Apply it to your work. If you're a student, use AI to learn faster. If you're a creator, use AI to grow faster. If you're a business owner, use AI to scale faster. Don't overthink. Start. The world is changing, not slowly, not gradually, but rapidly. AI is not coming. It's already here. And the question is not, is AI powerful? The real question is, will you use it or be replaced by those who do? Because in the next few years, there will be two types of people. Those who understood AI, those who wish they did. So don't wait, don't doubt, don't delay. Start today. Because the future doesn't belong to the strongest, it belongs to those who adapt fastest. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. AI Future. And I'll bring you more powerful content like this.